Thanks for buying the Thermaltake E700 gaming chair. Today we're going to show you how to build it after it arrives. Firstly, you'll want to unpack the box's contents and remove all of the packaging. We recommend laying out all of the chair parts and building on the floor so nothing goes missing. With all of your parts ready to be assembled, be sure to locate and keep hold of your manual, as you'll want to consult it while watching along with this video. To begin, grab the base and flip it over so you can insert all of the caster wheels into the slots. Don't be afraid to use a bit of force to get them in. Once done, flip it back over and insert your swivel into the centre of the base. Next, locate the seat and the back of the chair. You'll notice that at the bottom of these, there are 3 holes that match in position. This means we'll have to connect these together. For this part, we recommend grabbing a friend. Together, you'll want to flip both of these over and connect the bottom of the chair into the seat so the holes overlap. As one of you holds it in place, the other can begin using the Allen key to insert and tighten the 3 screws. Once done, all that's left to do is insert the wheel base into the bottom of the seat with a little push. You can either do this by turning it onto its side or delicately lower the seat over the swivel from an upright position. And you're done! We hope you enjoy using your new Thermaltake E700 gaming chair.